Your text to customers are getting blocked or showing up as spam. When did business messaging get so complicated? This is Quick Connect, where communication gets simpler, smarter, and way more connected. So 10DLC stands for 10-digit long code. It's a new messaging standard built specifically for business texting. If you're not registered, your messages could get throttled or blocked. Fusion Connect helps you register and remain compliant with features like Business SMS, MMS, DNC management, and TCPA compliance tools. That means your texts get delivered and stay within the rules. So if your customer messages are disappearing into the void, we'll show you how 10DLC connects to deliverability real quick.